open your copies for classwork. First, you mention the date, classwork, Unit 1, Geography, listen to our country, topic question answer, page number 15 with margin lines. Now, your question number 1 is, name the countries that share a border with Pakistan. Answer is China, Afghanistan, Iran, and India share a border with Pakistan. Now, question number 2 is, which sea lies to the south of Pakistan? Answer is, the Arabian Sea lies to the south of Pakistan. Question number 3 is, which areas of Pakistan are the most populated and the least populated? Answer is, the most populated areas are Lahore, Gujranwala, Faisalabad, Multan in Punjab, Peshawar in KPK, and Karachi in Sindh. The least populated areas are mostly in Balochistan. Question number 4 is, find out the names of the main deserts in Pakistan. Now your answer is, the main deserts of Pakistan are Thar in Sindh, Thal and Cholistan in Punjab, and Haran in Balochistan. Question number 5 is, where do the tributaries of the river Indus join it? Answer is, the tributaries of the Indus meet at Panjnad in southern Punjab. Question number 6 is, where does the river Indus enter the sea? Answer is, the river Indus enters the sea to the south of Karachi.